Wait, before you try Amazon FBA or Shopify, think about this. Amazon charges varying rates depending on what you're selling and how you're selling it. Then Shopify themselves stated that their stores are converting at 1.3%. This means out of 100 people that come into your store, one person is buying. All right, this model is forcing you to throw away your money. But I finally found a system to save you both time and money while making it easy and quick to build a successful e-commerce business where you don't have to mess with paying unnecessary fees and app costs. See, with FBA, you're essentially 1 out of 1 million competing for views and sales. No one will tell you that most Amazon sellers barely hit 5 figures a year if they're lucky. What I'm going to show you is going to get you your product in front of your customer and make you stand out as 1 in 1 million and have your customers coming back for more. I'm going to take you by the hand and I'm going to show you what to sell, how to make it irresistible, and I'm going to give you all the tools you need to sell it while building a successful e-commerce business all within 21 days. You really don't want to miss this, so make sure to click the link above or below right now.